said then. And Asamoah is someone who is the former captain of the Black Stars.
Sure.
And former captain of the Black Stars, not just a captain, but someone who has scored the most goals for the Black Stars, documented goals. Among for Kase Binum Shishe goals bini adie yatete san 70 bibri any adie, but it wasn't documented. And he can't documented goals. The one crap temua. Asamoah Gyan ashe goals abobo chen Ghana ni washe goals chen Ghana ni bia. Let me not see wabobo. It is not just anybody, but Ghana's all-time top scorer.
51 goals or
yes. And I saying about the national team, about football. The player in question knows what he's talking about. Now, in some men, Asamoah Gyan can. Asamoah Gyan talked about the time our Black Stars. So, on who being a Black Stars captain, he was alone. Players by national team camper, they are excited to see him. He is the only player they always want to see. But Asamoah Gyan knew after a day, 2 or 3 days, all of a sudden, not near Master. I'm a sound quadro mobile national team in Muna. Omo pass Asamoah Gyan baby jet a henono. And ne sound quadro and pass Asamoah Gyan and put on my beam. Omo fiti. No who's Asamoah Gyan so fiti bar. Never saw more fan, omo pe baby fa because omo person will be nipa no person who in the biom.
A brainwash you.
Pe Asamoah Gyan.
Sure.
Or some quadro have been brainwashed. First of all, Mamela Asamoah Gyan as a captain being alone at our national team camp. And some way and some more come. Now me a sure person can you be here and da.
Being here and da.
Yes. Be there be a mekase. Nipa no wa die nim na otimba bonte ba bekasa ade we sei na ekoso. Na enya aya na me pe no ne pa cha ise wo be frim. Ansa no ba be kam nsam de akyere me.
As the sika akono mo ye nyina na ode one mo nyaanye.
Why?
Sika akono so frim wi no be ka che say selection cry drew e bi na ye nyaa no.
Ah so mo tie sa no mo nyini papa.
Nyini papa.
Ah yes.
Say
they are not good people, they are cowards. Yes. If you are a man enough, at the end woman now with him. It is one of the reasons in there. Time our first one elections. And you can to buy and the performance award 9 a year. Nanka me minya ya new person I take you over. After Nyantechi left office, and I elections no. Now me person George free president da.
Now umpe.
There be mempe because would the question Nyantechi. And I'm the car ko shamanam. Mudi shame we no. And I will say what you want to can cancel the Havana him canity. It's a fair young fakani man we ye. I say it me say or no mate no chair driver no baby on fan. But o chair driver baby on fan one fan fan. Let's say we see from free car no. Esa obi abeka so in paboni. Anya we in pabo enu kwa pole chezo in pabo. But we see from one. No what chere obi say driver no me chair baby on fan ntimi nya adwuma de biem. Yes, I have a minute and I knew you. I am a car now, or me macofa, no dinner, macofa, said mate. It is not about BB. Oh, that be maybe. I'm just drawing something. Me macofa, car, and I'm a foul say, Biggi, who brave mate, send away out to a child, or BB, or their coffee, yes, or Bushiako. Yeah. Anna, oh, buy no over so me say, car no crown, me minim chi. Intino. Mimi, I say, Mimi, oh, me said, I was a Michigan. The fact that I will be one in Chester William Carnegie. Oh, come in fact. Yes. Into where they? Messy form. Now, better did he? Obey daddy. Now, before I ever found only did that. There be an name more demo. And you remember to me, I had name, but also just a bad day forever. It's me. Sardiania. I am a professor of a concha and about the catcher as Sardian yet. And into winter mean the HBM. Danza will be dim. Now the other best from no. Now, if I over to work, I say, I'm better, me catch it and we'll move see it. So what I say? It's a large goose, I say. A lot of the things he say, me for the serious. Aye, Kwame. So now one chain. Now see any. Obemu. I feel will be a careful that's a man out of Chenary. A war when you know. What's our quack with Gyan said the same effing in yet. But time I now woman, they now see on me.
Okay, be funny serious.
of course metie bi saa akwa na masere
in some of the crowd to just say as good or my instances because
no instances ben because he's out and ya owom no to be ka bibi
I mean tiwe
eti Asamoah Gyan de no na nka ye be hia no mre bi a atwam entam no ma go nti America sa it got to a point na na mabonten say your Black Stars ni mu ache there are factions
sure
you the you camp you Asamoah Gyan camp and these are some of the reasons that Kahuntia Black Stars need to be more than your trophies. Ye can near the abedia you and it Tony Abo Amreno at your bum. So these things have been long standing problems are affecting Black Stars in winning trophies. Ye can near Kofa Cote d'Ivoire Crampo the Abum. Yaya Toure faction. Didier Drogba faction. A consoir to time Didier Drogba left the national team. Under the golden generation of Ivory Coast. Abrana Elko from Nimumno. They won the African Cup of Nations and not training in 2015. Abraham Ghana call finals. At the time, Ghana for can somewhere one thing. So there are factions in the Black Stars. You are Asamoah Gyan camp. You are the you camp no. These were some of the words and answers someone gave here free Asamoah Gyan. So faction be any Black Stars. Now me come on mo kasa me want me camp they don't want me camp no. I am alone in the Black Stars. Some way into the Kwame. There were Ghanaians who joined Black Stars and support you.
Did I you Asamoah Gyan?
Yes. Because almost at the end of the there is division. And once there is division, a bad day is a common go na yepe, which is winning the African Cup of Nations. You because
Biggi
team na here supporting and Kasakwan watch it.
Also now teacher now who is a
na me say bamen
okay. Because on the field there's no more bar now who say division with him.
Media na me say man. But Kwame met me no one problem. But you better say ni ye adwuma. I was here ye adwuma no pepepe.
Sure.
Enya for se me ne Kwame na ye adwuma ntia wo so ye madamfo. There were issues, but on park and so a bad day so the issues affected the performance on the field of play. What I say, Black Stars achieve success when every Ghanaian have their hearts behind the Black Stars. National team them going to be new. Me say, I have Mr. James Kwesi Apiamo, and in Penny for handle the Black Stars. Say in 2004-2005, sorry. 2011-2012 13 thereabout. Ghana Epe qualification and Yako Brazil 2014 no. Not the performance of the national team no. Yes na eko you. But when you show some messages because you have 6-1 no che Egypt no. And you don't go on holding. They had the whole country behind them. She numbers na eko good stadium hono no. She support the buy no. Compare the support of the Black Stars Sabre to net. One comox match in inti. So
born into Uncle Sunyame. So was born into Uncle Mosque.
Over so come. It's unity no. Say ya wa born tell you so there is unity in the team wa. Yansu ya be united front because obi ho no mo Opededa you asem.
Sure.
Obi ho no Asamoah Gyan asem. The moment oya Ghanaian no bete. Said the Deni Asamoah Gyan problem wa camp no. On support Black Stars did that. Empire boy say me pededa asem say Black Stars e bomb match me bomb paya ma de say won che go. And now the Deni a good day. The Deni a good day na Black Stars lose simple and family.
Say the day mobi so they are support.
The day mobi so they are against the Black Stars because Ebia na Asamoah Gyan na ekwa akobon wa captain. It's the Deni team nimu. Se glory by Asamoah Gyan the leading team no. Almost by a pam fanta team nechi. Obi to pass Asamoah Gyan asem in his absence. Almost by a pam team ne because they didn't be captain. They didn't be leader. E wo field ne so. Enu nti na make say sansem we mu bi no. Na ye hia ne mra bi e twam. It is Asamoah Gyan knew. So deep within him. There were no problems in the Black Stars. And also, even if there were there were problems, but there weren't factions as yet because also no he was alone. Our Black Stars camp. na me alone na me dan me nyankofo di bachi it what is telling us say there was no form of faction our Black Stars camp it in some way nya nne ne hia in some na be ba abontin mire bi e twam no amma national team na nya o Donald say Ghana for the ma o mo no ana fi ana Asamoah ja na ba be kasa ansem mu ya che and no na ya me problem
if you feel say this is the right time
only few said this is the right time but me feel sa and it's that me kasa na ye hia ne mire bi e twam no
ebi so no hu ni say time no kan ya say na still na bo no da so bo
o da so bo
the
and no na me ka medical ka ho asem no sa de ni se wum na otimi ye bold ka ho asem a and asem we are okay kwame enya asem boni o enya asem boni o
sure
so factions any Black Stars camp because na ya de da Ghana for trim say Asamoah on the camp they dey on the camp there is no unity in Black Stars e just en ka Asamoah jan tibi ba bonti ba be ka say me the captain company I am alone means there is no faction in the Black Stars me na me ya me lie e Black Stars team ni mo a don't you take just abra nka beboa
say brainwashing kra no
that is what he is also saying another thing
sure yeah ready
for me
okafa na ntachi
me feel say wakasa ansem no all right but nka eba earlier it would have helped Kwame, yes about Mr. Kwesi Ntachi to be honest I was in support of say you took Kwesi Ntachi sabre no
you were in support
oh yes na me support 100%
aventia
because at the point na Ntachi adwuma o ye na nso ani apart from na adwuma at the point na enso ani no it looked like na Ntachi aba betena kodwa no so so powerful to the extent say the people that gave him power he didn't even respect them anymore
but he didn't also
Ntachi can go to the extent of telling people say obi any one more bet aba be GFA president na me mre so a me na meyi obi no mahira no me wo akonya no nya wo dia he said it live on camera sasa brene so a me na meyi obi na me mahira no so he got to that point of feeling untouchable so at the point he did things anyhow but after the exit of Mr. Kwesi Ntachi afei na mahu say na nka Ntachi tena so na nka ye esa nze Ntachi awie ye no papa ye otisu ya hase ne mode monye
mere dada keno sabe ware wanka ye fufuro ne de
fa better what the ketoke kwa memu as the GFA president eto to Mr. Kwesi Ntachi de ho akwame ete say de ho pesta ka na ode de ye tototo ne ye bo a
example taye pa
metaye because gab na so
ti onu nko adi ya nko na abeti
enu na meji beka
Biggi
gab na so
another Marcus Rashford to Ronaldo
esododo so it's before his exit I supported that move
okay
but after his exit and I know who said that papa ne ya adwuma bia ebia possibly and continue so ebia he could have done better because Kwame under Mr. Kwesi Ntachi say say the performance of the Black Stars or AFCON the performance of the Black Stars at the world stage there is vast difference only to 21
okay
esubebrebe under Mr. Kwesi Ntachi it got to a point now Black Stars the African Cup of Nations they drew finals and after semi-finals we feel we have failed near him say group stage for the fire and I said the group stage for the kita aba be duru say you qualify and then you qualify for the kita Black Stars now you need say baba be do this kind of level say now you need say na be ya menya sure say go be bomb pie say obi bomb to Mr. Kwesi Ntachi but we didn't know because the problems we are talking about today in Ghana football are worse than what we saw in the past under Kwesi Ntachi. So na league ni bonko here. Na league ni standards didn't even compete with African poor. At least we had the Black Stars and national teams sir. se league na nko yempo we rest assured so obenya Black Stars bi a odi beje jiwani obenya otoso anya rechemu wom. But today are we seeing that the Black Stars have moved from playing in the finals and the semi-finals of the African stage, the quarter-finals of the world stage, to a stage what do you do? Yeah, there you group stages. Group stages, maybe I boy more than I one match. Near film near Buffy. Oh, see a cobacco. Say 2018 uncle. Say 2018 and your cat. 2022 year koi. You could win one match group stage. Any film Buffy. AFCON. We've had our worst ever AFCON performance. Worst ever since I take Ghana your ball football. You say you African Cup. Ya dia kura. Ayanda ketokreku.
Tuze ubenya nkaka eyo na ntachi da so.
Kwame we ye misa wo. De maka nyina juze bi zate menya na nka jantachi wo. Me si nyantachi awie ye. Ana ye so wonya de ntia ye tu no. E far better than ketokreku asase ye.
Sansam me de on Gyan na adwen.
Minim se chama kra de. Chama so we teacher ni chama 100% bibi wona chi kamba se menene ya adwen more than 100%. Okay,
That's it.
mate